your girl Drea Rozayyy, bringing you guys another video. And today we're going to be trying the CHEETOS Flamin' Hot Pastas. So I got my cute little setup right here. Let me tell you what I got. So here I have 3 different flavors of the mac and cheese. First we have the original Flamin' Hot. This one's bold and cheesy. And this one's cheesy jalapeno. Yep, cheesy jalapeno. And honestly guys, this smells exactly like the chips. And I also toasted some French bread because in case if it's like too spicy, then yeah, I need something to balance it out. And then of course, you know, I had to get some hot Cheetos to join with the meal. And to be honest with you guys, I have tried this one. It's like as soon as I saw it at the store, I was like, I need to get it. Like, for those that know me personally, I am obsessed with hot Cheetos. I've been obsessed for years. I thought I was gonna grow out of it once I became an adult. No, like, I'm just as addicted. Like, I don't know what it is, but I'm definitely a Cheeto addict. So these two I haven't tried, so I'm pretty excited. So I think we're gonna go ahead and start with this one just because it smells really good. And like I said, I haven't tried it. Oh, and I also have my little Coke here. I couldn't find Coke Zero, so I just mixed the original Coke with some water. Okay, so let's go ahead and try this one first. This is the jalapeno one. Wow, this is good. This really tastes like I'm eating those chips, but just not crunchy. Okay. It's actually really good. It's nice and cheesy, and you know, it has a kick to it. For me personally, I love when my food has a little spice to it, so this is what I'm talking about. Let's try it with some bread. Oh, okay. Now it's getting to me. I think Chester Cheetos should just go ahead and sponsor me because I've made them so much money. I have even introduced people into Cheetos and now they're all addicted as well. So now we're addicts together. Let me go ahead and try the bold and cheesy one. Yeah, that is crazy. These taste exactly like the cheese Cheetos. Wow. I feel like I'm eating chips right now, like, and chips are my thing, so I'm in heaven right now. I don't ever get the cheese Cheetos, but when I eat them, like from someone else, because I'm always down to eat chips, but when I eat the cheese ones, they're actually really, really good, but you know, I just don't buy them. All right, all right, all right. Let's go ahead and try this one. These look exactly like Cheetos, like they're hella red. They're literally the same color, which I feel like on the screen it almost looks like these are Cheetos, huh? All right, let's go in this mother. I do remember these being very spicy, so. Whew. These are actually really, really spicy. These are definitely more spicier than the Cheetos. You know what? Let me get some cheesy ones since these aren't spicy at all. I actually really like this one. I think it's my favorite. This one's good too, but I don't know. This one creeps up to you too. And yeah, let me tell you what happened to me this morning. Like, I almost died this morning. Literally. I was in my bathroom doing my hair. I was curling it, so you know, that takes a while. So I was in there for a little bit. I had turned around and I noticed my dog was outside the door, you know, just laying there chilling. So I'm like, cool. So I continued doing my hair, maybe like another 20 minutes or so. And then I finally finished and I go straight into my room and I noticed Flex wasn't out there laying down anymore. So I'm like, oh, he's probably in the room on his bed. Excuse me. So, you know, I go in there. First thing I do is check his bed if he's there. And he wasn't there. So I'm like, okay, he's probably in the bed. He's probably in his bed in the living room. So I come into the living room. My freaking front door is just wide open. Oh my goodness. Guys, I ran out there. I ran so damn fast. And obviously I checked the backyard first. Because I'm like, oh, he's just going to be out there like sniffing the leaves like he always does. So I go out there and I start looking and he's not there. I'm like, oh, hell no. I swear guys, my heart, it had already dropped when I saw the door open, but when I saw that he wasn't back there, oh my god, it was the scariest thing. So then I go in front of the building. I'm like, okay, if he's not here, he's gonna be in front of the building. I get to the front of the building, I don't see him anywhere. I'm like looking and looking. I'm screaming his name. Nothing. So I was freaking out, guys. And then I'm walking in front of the building again towards my entrance. And this mofo is on the porch on the 3rd floor. Like, I was freaking the fuck out. And he was right there just looking down at me. I got a great idea. I'm gonna put some pasta of every flavor in one bite. Y'all gonna be like, what the hell she been smoking? Wow, that was actually really good. Let's do it again. Oh my god. Flavor wise, definitely more spicy. I will give this a 7 just because it's a little too spicy. Like, maybe with some sour cream, that will be bussin'. This, I'll give it a 9. It's actually really good. Not sure what type of cheese it is. I'm guessing cheddar cheese. It's really, really good. And this one, I'll give it an 8. This one, like I said, it tastes exactly like the jalapeno Cheetos. So if those are your favorite, definitely get that one. So Cheetos, if y'all watching this, please sponsor me. Can y'all picture my face in one of these boxes? Alright y'all, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I do post Tuesdays and Thursdays. Give your girl a big thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys next time. Bye.